In this video, we will compare some of the best soldering irons available today, focusing on performance, temperature control, portability, and smart features to help you choose the right tool for your needs. All product links and updated pricing details are included in the description below, so let's jump right in. Number 5. DIZAINLIFE Mini Soldering Iron. The DIZAINLIFE Mini Soldering Iron is a compact and versatile tool designed for precision electronics work and DIY projects. Its cordless design eliminates tangled wires, providing freedom of movement and easy handling. The kit includes 3 interchangeable tips, a storage base, solder wire, solder paste, and a Type-C charging cable, offering everything needed to get started immediately. Power comes from a built-in 1000 mAh rechargeable battery, delivering 30 to 50 minutes of continuous use depending on the temperature setting. Recharging is fast and convenient via the Type-C connector, taking approximately 2 hours for a full charge. A high-resolution light-emitting diode display shows the real-time temperature, adjustable between 300 and 450 degrees Celsius. This allows precise control for working on delicate circuits as well as heavier electronics. Safety and convenience are enhanced by an automatic shutoff after 10 minutes of inactivity, preventing overheating and saving energy. A built-in work light ensures that the workspace is always well illuminated, even in low light conditions, improving accuracy and reducing eye strain. Its small size and portability make it ideal for use at home, in a garage, or on the go. The DIZAINLIFE Mini Soldering Iron combines precision, safety, and efficiency into one reliable tool, making it a practical choice for electronics enthusiasts, hobbyists, and DIY creators who require a powerful yet portable soldering solution. Number 4. T12 Electric Soldering Iron. The T12 Electric Soldering Iron is a compact, high-performance tool designed for precision soldering and portability. Its CNC machined metal body is both durable and lightweight, weighing just 60 grams, making it comfortable for extended use without causing hand fatigue. With a power output of up to 65 watts and support for 72 watts direct current charging, it heats up quickly for efficient operation. The soldering iron features the Peter Zero fast charging system and supports the QC 3.00 protocol, allowing fast charging via power banks, which is ideal for on-the-go work. A built-in OLED high-definition screen displays the real-time temperature, adjustable from 180 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius. Temperature control is precise, with a variation of only plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius, thanks to the PID precision control system. Users can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit and calibrate the temperature for specific tasks. Safety features include automatic sleep mode and vibration sensing, which powers down the iron when idle or placed down, conserving energy and extending its lifespan. The T12 is compatible with standard T12 soldering tips, making it suitable for both delicate electronics and heavier soldering projects. Its combination of fast heat-up, accurate temperature control, portability, and safety features makes the T12 electric soldering iron a versatile and reliable tool. Whether at a workshop or working in the field, it provides professional-level performance in a travel-friendly, efficient design. Number 3. PT-ES200 Smart Electric Soldering Iron. The PT-ES200 Smart Electric Soldering Iron delivers impressive performance in a compact, portable package. With a maximum output of 100 watts, it heats up to 450 degrees Celsius in only 8 seconds, enabling fast and efficient soldering. Its CNC machined metal shell not only ensures excellent durability, but also provides superior heat dissipation, while the ergonomic handle keeps your hand comfortable during extended use. This soldering iron supports TS100 and TS101 tips, making it versatile for a variety of solder joints and project types. Smart features include automatic sleep mode to conserve energy and prolong tip life, along with one-click heating that allows you to start working almost instantly. The PTS200 is highly adaptable with input voltages ranging from 9 to 20 volts and supports multiple fast-charging protocols, including PD 3.0, QC 2.0, and QC 3.0. It can be powered through a fast-charging adapter, a power bank, or a direct current source via the Type-C interface. A built-in OLED screen displays the real-time temperature clearly, with stability accurate, within plus or minus 2%. Firmware upgrades are supported for future improvements. With powerful heating, precise temperature control, and versatile power options, the PTS200 Smart Electric Soldering Iron is suitable for both hobbyists and professionals. Whether at a workbench or in the field, it delivers reliable performance for any soldering project. Number 2. Pine64 V1 Pinecil BB2 Smart Soldering Iron. The Pine64 V1 Pinecil BB2 Smart Soldering Iron focuses on portability and precision with a slim, lightweight body that fits comfortably in the hand and packs easily for mobile work. Despite its compact size, it delivers strong performance driven by a 32-bit RISC-V system on chip, allowing fast response and accurate control during soldering tasks. Heating speed is a standout feature, reaching working temperature in about 12 seconds. The temperature range spans from 100 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius and can be adjusted smoothly to match delicate electronics or heavier joints. A built-in organic light-emitting diode display shows real-time temperature data, maintaining stability within plus or minus 3% for consistent results across long sessions. Power flexibility adds to its convenience. The iron supports dual input options, including universal serial bus Type-C with power delivery 3.0 or quick charge 3.0, as well as a direct current 5525 barrel jack connection. This makes it easy to run from wall adapters, power banks, or vehicle power sources. Safety and usability are handled well through automatic standby after 50 seconds of inactivity and an idle cool-down function that lowers heat when not in use. Compatibility with interchangeable tips allows quick changes for different applications. Open-source firmware enables customization, making this tool adaptable for both hobbyists and professional technicians. Number 1. ALIENTEK T80 and T80P. The ALIENTEK T80 and T80P Smart Electric Soldering Iron are designed to balance power, portability, and precise control in a compact form. Both models feature a computer numerical control machined aluminum alloy body that feels solid yet lightweight, paired with an ergonomic handle that supports comfortable use during extended soldering sessions. Heating performance is highly adaptable, with adjustable output ranging from 18 watts up to 100 watts. This wide range allows the iron to handle delicate circuit board work, as well as larger solder joints with ease. At maximum output, the tip is capable of melting tin in roughly 2 seconds, which helps speed up repetitive tasks and time-sensitive repairs. A built-in organic light-emitting diode display provides clear visibility of temperature, power level, and operating status. All adjustments are made through a straightforward control interface that feels responsive and intuitive. Internally, a 32-bit processor combined with proportional integral derivative temperature control maintains steady heat delivery, keeping accuracy within 2% for reliable results. Power compatibility is another strong point. The iron supports input from 9 volts to 20 volts and works with both power delivery and quick charge fast charging standards through a universal serial bus Type C connection. This allows it to run from wall adapters, power banks, or mobile chargers. Smart dormancy mode automatically places the iron into sleep when set down, reducing energy use and protecting the heating element. Lifting it wakes the iron instantly. There you have it, a complete breakdown of the best soldering irons and what makes each one stand out. Whether you value speed, precision, or portability, there is a clear option depending on your workflow. Check the description below for the latest prices and product links, and let us know which soldering iron you think deserves the #1 spot.